morning was frigid, with the thermometer in my Jeep reading just 2 Fahrenheit. I had the Mr. Buddy heater, so I cranked it up to high to get rid of the chill and melt some of the sheets of ice on the inside of my tent. While it was cold, it was a beautiful start to day 2.
Alright, if it's slick, let's start increasing our follow distance.
Day 2 had some larger sections of pavement to get us to some cool sights. Along the way, I learned some new terminology.
6 is up at the back.
I picked up on a lot of your terminology. What is 6?
12 o'clock is the front, 6 o'clock is the rear.
So do as a tail gunner. Should Urban Dictionary 6 up?
According to Urban Dictionary, 6 up means that the police are nearby, so whatever you are doing that is illegal needs to be hidden. Further up the trail, we came across a lake covered in thick ice and a potentially challenging climb. While Cole checked out the climb, a few of us tried something we'd always wanted to do: throw stones onto a frozen lake.
Discus? Yeah. I'll leave it back here. Oh, there goes some water. You might be able to go get that.
After satisfying our curiosity, we went to check out the climb. While not particularly steep, it had an axle twister halfway up, which added to the challenge.
Hopefully this might have a good drop for us all around. I think somebody said I'm not kidding. All right. Yeah.
It's simple.
Overall, I had a fantastic weekend. I met some great new people, and I look forward to seeing them again at future events with the East Tennessee Overlanders. I learned a lot too, both from my experiences and from the more experienced among us. A few of the things I personally learned were: 1. Having a trailer dramatically changes how you take corners and obstacles while off-road, especially in the snowy conditions. 2. Using a lunette ring to tow a trailer off-road is loud. 3. Don't eat yellow snow. And 4. Kentucky has some of the most amazing camping spots.
Yeah, this is the mine. Okay, this is the mine, gotcha. It looks like Tommy's stopped up here, so...
Hanson Mine is just outside of Mount Vernon, Kentucky, a short distance from the Kentucky Adventure Tour. You can drive in several hundred feet through several large cabins. If you're in the area, go check it out. If you're interested in overlanding, I also recommend checking out the East Tennessee Overlanders, Overland Kentucky, and the Kentucky Adventure Tour. I'll put links in the description below.